Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101. Intermittent fasting is a game changer for many people, but if you're just getting started, there are some common mistakes you definitely want to avoid. Let's dive into what not to do when starting intermittent fasting. Mistake number 1. Diving into fast. If you're used to eating every few hours and suddenly jump into a 16-hour fast, your body's going to fight back. You'll feel hangry, tired, and ready to give up. Instead, ease into it. Start with shorter fasting windows, like 12 hours, and build up gradually. Number 2. Overeating during your eating window. A lot of beginners think on it, but loading up on junk food cancels out any benefits of fasting. Stick to balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and plenty of veggies. Your body will thank you. Next up, mistake number 3. Breaking your fast with the wrong foods or drinks. Your body is extra sensitive during this time. Break your fast gently with something light, like a handful of nuts, a boiled egg, or some fruit. Number 4. Pushing your body too hard. Fasting is already a stressor on your body. Adding intense workouts without proper fuel can leave you feeling drained, or worse, cause injury. If you're exercising during a fast, keep it light. Save the heavy lifting for your eating window. And finally, mistake number 5. Being too rigid. Life happens, and you might need to adjust your fasting schedule. The key is consistency over time, not perfection every day. Be flexible and listen to your body. Intermittent fasting doesn't have to be complicated. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll set yourself up for success. Remember, it's a lifestyle, not a quick fix. Thanks for tuning into Health Options 101. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more tips to make your health journey easier and more effective. See you in the next video.